Hey guys, today I'm going to make some sourdough pizza toast. So let's get toasting. I've got some pre-sliced sourdough bread here. This is one of those round loaves, so the pieces are kind of, different sizes. Anyway, I pre-toasted it a little bit just to make it a little crispier, and I'm going to use just some regular pasta sauce for my pizza sauce here. This is this Classico traditional. And I'm putting it in this 10-inch cast iron skillet that I use in the toaster oven a lot. That way if the sauce drips or the cheese drips, it won't make a big mess of my oven. So that looks good there. We'll get that out of the way. And I've got some shredded Colby Jack cheese here, so we'll use a bit of that for the cheese. Okay, and see, that's kind of getting all over the place, so like I said, that way it won't get in the bottom of my oven. And I'm going to use some Portuguese linguiça sausage. This is pre-cooked. I've used this in other videos. So what I like to do with that is just slice it down the middle, and then I'll usually peel the outside, the casing off, if it'll come off very easy. Sometimes it will, sometimes not so much, but that actually came off pretty good. And then what I do is just kind of crumble it into little, little pieces like that. Like I said, this is already pre-cooked, so you don't really have to worry about cooking it to a certain temperature or anything. Alright, now I'll just put this on top of my bread there. My grandson likes making these, but he likes just using just regular old white bread, so you can use actually any type of bread that you want for this. And he doesn't care for the linguiça, he likes pepperoni, so he usually uses pepperoni on his. Might as well just pile all that sausage on there, make it pretty meaty. That looks good. Now we'll get it into the toaster oven. You could also use your baking tray, and that should work fine. Now I'm going to set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on that and let you know how long it takes. It's been about 12 minutes, so let's see how this looks. That looks good to me. I'm going to get it out of there. Hopefully this is cool enough to eat. Let's try a bite here. That's pretty crispy, it's good. You want to try it, Andy? You like linguiça? Here you go. Yep, looks like it's Annie approved. That makes a really crispy crust, and linguiça is one of my favorite pizza toppings. Annie wants some more. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.